If you look at this question is about UV rule, right? Integration by parts. We have discussed in the theory, isolate. How do you make this choice of U and V? It is as per this particular shortcut. Isolate, correct? Inverse function, logarithmic function, algebraic function, trigonometric function, exponential function. So log x function comes first, algebraic function comes next. So I'll write like this now, log x into x cube dx. So this is of the form UV rule of integration. So what is the formula? U into integration of V, U into integration of V minus integration of differentiation of U, integration of differentiation of U into integration of V dx. Then this bracket closes, okay, this bracket closes. For the outermost integration, integrating variable will be there. So this is the formula, right? So this is log x. So I is equal to U into integration of V minus integration of differentiation of U into integration of V dx. I is equal to x to the power 4 divided by 4 into log x minus of 1 by 4 integration of x cube dx. Step by step you solve this. X to the power 4 by 4 times log x minus of 1 by 4 into x to the power 4 divided by 4. After the completion of indefinite integration, you put one arbitrary constant of integration. So your answer to the question I will be equal to x to the power 4 divided by 4 times log x minus x to the power 4 divided by 16 plus c. This will be the answer to the question. But if you look at this, this is not the form of the answer which is kept, no? So what to do? We will take the LCM. We will take the LCM. 16 will be the common LCM. So it will be of the form 4x to the power 4 log x, 4x to the power 4 log x minus x to the power 4. C, even if it is 16c also, 16 into constant is constant only, right? So your answer which is seen here is in the form like this. 1 by 4 into 4x to the power 4 log x minus x to the power 4 plus c. This will be the answer to the question.